Here I have ZTE Blade A7s, and today I'm going to show you how to wipe cache from this device. So first of all, what you have to do is to turn your device off. And after it turns off completely, what you have to do is to hold down combination of keys. But firstly, you will have to connect your device to the charger, like this. And then you have to hold down combination of keys, power key and volume down at the same time. After the screen turns on, you can release power key and keep holding volume down. When you're in this kind of menu, what you have to do is to use volume keys to navigate to this the option wipe cache partition, and then select it with power key, and then confirm this operation by selecting yes. After you see the message cache wipe complete, you can select the first option, reboot system now, to restart your device. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.